This topic is called multiplication involving binomials and trinomials in one variable. So there's multiple ways I could teach you how to do this. We're basically doing the distributive property, which with each term from the first parentheses with multiplying with each term in the second parentheses. But I'll tell you, this is the best way I like to explain it. So this is a 3-term by 2-term. So I like to just do a box with you could do, I'm going to do 3 columns. You could do 3 rows and 2 columns, whatever. So you put your 3 terms with their signs. So we have 3x squared, we have a negative 2x, and we have a negative 1. And then we're timesing it by 4x and a positive 7. So it reminds me kind of of science when you do the Punnett square. So you're going to multiply these two, these two lengths. This is called the area model. So you do 3x squared times 4x is 12x cubed. Then you do negative 2x times 4x is negative 8x squared. And then we have negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x. Then we do 7 times each of those. So 21x squared, negative 14x, and negative 7. You'll notice on the diagonal, we have like terms. So we'll add those together. So we're left with 12x cubed. And then we have 21 minus 8 is, well, no, 13x squared. And then negative 4 minus 4x is negative 18x minus 7. So that's like, I like doing it best that way. So you multiply first, you multiply in the boxes, and then you add like what you get in the boxes. You add those together. P.S. Please subscribe to my channel and like any videos that you might find helpful. All right, let's do this again. So this is the same type of problem. Let's do it the other way where we have a 2 by 3. So it's a little bit longer. Oops, or whatever. Okay, so 2 by 3. It doesn't really matter. So 7u minus 2, and then we have 4u squared. You got to watch those signs. Make sure you're carrying over any negatives. There we go. So we're going to do 7u times times 4u squared, which is what, 28u cubed. And then negative 2 times 4u squared is negative 8u squared. 7u times 5u is 35u squared. And negative 2 times 5u is negative 10u. 7u times negative 3 is negative 21u. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6, which I didn't need my plus sign, but I did it anyway. Don't forget here on the diagonals, we're going to add those together. These are like terms. So we have 28u cubed. 35 minus 8, let's see, minus 5 is 30, 3 more, minus 20, no, plus 27u squared. Negative 21 minus 10 is negative 31u, and then plus 6. So we type those in. We have 28u cubed plus 27u squared minus 31u plus 6. All right, and we'll do one more for our third one here. This is a 3 by 3. Awesome. So we get to do even bigger one, just 3 columns, 3 rows. So we have y squared. There we go. Minus 2y. Watch those signs. Minus 6, 3y squared, minus 3y, minus 7. So 3y squared and y squared is 3y to the 4th power. Negative 6y cubed and negative 18y squared. Negative 3y cubed, 6y squared, and that's positive 18y, negative 7y squared, positive 14y, and 6 times 7 is 42, so plus 42. So we have 3y to the 4th, negative 9y cubed. And look at this, we've got three squareds that we're putting together. So negative 18 plus 6 is negative 12. Minus 7 is negative 19. Y squared. And then we have 18 plus 14 is 32. There you go. We'll get that typed in, and that will be it for today. Minus 19 y squared plus 32 y plus 32. Hopefully I didn't make any mathematical errors. That's the end of the lesson.